The books arrived 2 weeks after I did my exams.
What a terrible prize to win. B, they weren't even there at the time. Oh my goodness.
Good God. Oh my God, I'm so sorry, Mike. He says respect, guys.
Is that the end of the story?
Oh no, he passed his exams. He passed.
Oh,
luckily,
God for that.
luckily, I managed to pass my exams. Respect, guys. Are you right? It's a terrible prize. Terrible. And then for that prize to be delivered late. It's even worse.